Hello, and happy Monday to you. As we move into the third week of July, I have some incredible job opportunities that we are going to go over today. And of course, we will be highlighting a great Fortune 500 company, which is CASHAPP. I also do have some bonus opportunities that we will be going over in this video. So make sure you stay tuned for the whole entire video to ensure that you see all of the available job opportunities to see what is a better fit for you, and then head on over and apply. So let's get into the very first opportunity I have for you today. This one is going to be with the company called Working Solutions. The Working Solutions is a third-party customer service solutions, and they also do offer other type of services to multiple different companies. So they oftentimes have a lot of available opportunities, especially for entry-level job seekers. So the role that I am going to bring you today through them is their sales developer role. It is completely remote no matter where you are. It is going to be in their innovation and support department. It's a full-time position, and getting more into the responsibilities for this role. You will be doing some things like participating in meetings within the technical and functionality team. Some of the things you'll do is gather requirements, prioritize objectives, and brainstorm on alternative solutions. You'll be responsible for analyzing, improving, and designing processes for the full life cycle. You'll design and manage structure and access to applicant portals, and have strong troubleshooting skills while being mindful of code integrations. Now, you must be a U.S. citizen and or have permanent residency to be considered for the full-time position. They are hiring for this specific role in only these specific states, so check that out. If you don't live in one of those states, do not worry. We have other opportunities that we are going to go over in this video today, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I did want to bring this to anyone that is in these states. This may be a great opportunity for you. Now, moving right along to some additional requirements, you have to have at least 2 years of community Salesforce developer and development experience, as well as Salesforce project lifecycle experience. If you have strong understanding of coding within Aura, Apex, or LWC, that's going to be good. Experience with code and data migration tools. You'll also need to have experience with automated testing and design features utilizing Java, Apex, and Salesforce. And then experience with SQL, query writing, and strong relational database understanding. You'll need to have experience reviewing and documenting code, good understanding of internet technologies, firewalls, web services, web proxy servers. And then also, if you do have a Salesforce certified developer certificate, that is going to definitely work in your favor for this role. Now, with Working Solutions, you do get some of those standardized benefits like the medical, dental, vision, 401k, IRA, basic, voluntary, and accidental death and dismemberment life insurance. You'll get paid time off like vacation, sick time, and holidays, and short and long-term disability benefits. So if you are interested, you do have that developer's background, this may be a great opportunity for you with Working Solutions. Moving into our very next role, this is going to be with Working Solutions as well. This is their educational sales representative role. It is completely remote no matter where you are in the US. Now, this one is not a permanent opportunity. It is a contract role. So this is going to be for anyone who is looking for any type of opportunity where you can earn some additional cash, maybe over the summertime or on a short-term basis. This will be a great opportunity to look into. Now, for this role, you are going to be working from home. You'll work when it's convenient for you with a flexible schedule, which is really great. In this role, it would also allow you to broaden your horizons, gain additional skill sets, and you must work in the U.S. The only 4 states that they don't allow you to work in is California, New York, Pennsylvania, Washington State, or Canada. You must also be able to complete a background check as well. Now, what you're going to do in this role is you'll assist with educational sales. You'll assist with guiding families and caretakers and caregivers to select the right academical solution for their students. Now, with this role, you will be contracted to support a chain of supplemental learning centers, academic coaching and advancement, and test preparation. It is an independent contractor role, so no taxes will be taken out. And then getting more into what you will receive for compensation for this role, you'll earn up to $15.60 per hour plus incentives. with an additional performance-based incentive that will be available. And also high performer contractors earn up to about $18 per hour. Now, you'll also be guaranteed to be paid for 45 minutes as long as you're available for a full hour. So if you hop on and say it's necessarily not anything to do at that point in time, as long as you're still available, you still will get paid for that time up to 45 minutes of that hour. Now, with this role, you can create your own schedule. The schedules can be between Monday and Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and then Saturday, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. They also do have weekday and weekend options, so it's really great with flexibility, especially if you want something to supplement your current income, you need something on the side, or you're just trying to earn some extra money, maybe to pay off debt, to get caught up on bills or something like that. This may be something really great to look into. Now, some of the skills that are going to be needed for this role is being comfortable with sales, being able to guide callers to appropriate solutions while also closing the sale on each call, having high value on the need for education, be able to communicate really well and excellent verbally and written, and then also being self-motivated and resourceful. Now, in order for you to do this job, you are going to need a quiet, uninterrupted space with an organized desk and professional appearance, as you may have to be on camera. Now, technology requirements, you do need a personal computer. You cannot have a tablet or anything like that. You'll also need a hardwired internet connection, not a Wi-Fi box or mobile internet like data on your phone or hotspot on your phone. You also need to have an operating system of Windows 10 or 11, wired USB headset with microphone. And then if you do have a Mac computer, they also can be used. However, you do have to have Windows 11 installed via Apple's Boot Camp utility. So if you are interested in this educational sales representative role, you're looking for something that is going to give you flexibility, as well as you can make some really great cash quickly to pay down some things or just get something on the side. This may be a great opportunity to look into that is definitely more on a temporary basis. So definitely, if you're interested, come over to Working Solutions and start that application process. Now, getting into our very next opportunity, this one is the Customer Success Quality Management QA Analyst role with CASHAPP. It is in the personal banking department. It is completely remote no matter where you are, and it is a full-time position. Now, the responsibilities and what you'll do on a day-to-day for this specific role is you'll conduct quality evaluations for customer support interactions with a specific focus on personal banking regulations. You'll deliver comprehensive feedback following a structured format. You'll host shadow sessions to educate agents on evaluating processes through live demonstrations. You'll conduct one-on-one consulting sessions with agents focusing on enhancing their individual performance. You'll facilitate sessions with operational leadership, and you'll monitor and report compliance and policy adherence within all personal banking programs. You'll also assist in establishing, enhancing, and maintaining quality management programs tailored to personal banking channels as required. Now, qualifications for this role, you are going to need 3+ years of experience in a quality management or assurance role. You'll need strong individual and group project management skills, have investigative skills, and be familiar with navigating strong operating procedures and database tools. You'll have to have excellent communication skills, both written and verbal, excel in interpersonal interactions, feedback delivery, and assessing agents' performance. You need to have strong analytical and problem-solving skills, be self-motivated, have experience working with technical and non-technical team members, have strong attention to detail, be results-driven, have innovative thinking, and be able to demonstrate accountability for your work and unwavering commitment to maintaining exceptional standards of accuracy and performance. Now, it would be even better, and these are pluses, if you do have 1+ years of experience working in an investing role. If you have 1+ year experience working in a lending role or a tax role, all of those will work in your favor. They're pluses, but you don't need them. If you do have a COPC or CAMS certification, or have experience developing and managing formula-driven Excel Google Sheets, those are all going to be great and work really well for you. Now, the salary range for this role is ranging anywhere between $29.55 all the way up to $39.38, which is a really great rate of pay. Now, with Cash App, you are going to get some of those really great benefits like medical, dental, vision, healthcare spending accounts, flexible spending accounts, retirement plans like a 401k with the company match. You'll also get employer stock purchasing plans, so you'll get a piece of the company. They have wellness plans that do include mental health, one-on-one financial planning, and monthly wellness allowances. You'll get paid parental and caregiver leave. You'll get paid time off, including 12 paid holidays throughout the year. They have paid sick leave, learning and development resources, and then also multiple different life insurances that you can also obtain. So this is a great opportunity if you do have some of that quality assurance, quality analyst background, if you've done investigations and also work within a customer success role. This will be a great opportunity to definitely look into. They are just looking for that intermediate experience of 3+ years of experience. Now, for jobs just like this one, when you get ready to apply, you do need to make sure that your resume is primed for success. And the way that we do that here on this channel is to make sure that you have really hot keywords to be able to put in your resume that is going to definitely speak to recruiters and hiring managers to let them know that you are the person for the job. So if you are wondering what kind of keywords you need to utilize to put on your resume for jobs just like the ones that we've went over thus far in this video, I do have a resume keyword guide. You can find a link to the resume keyword guide down in the description as well as the pinned comments. The resume keyword guide gives you over 300 different resume keywords in over 13 different industries to help you level up your resume very, very quickly, so you spend more time applying to jobs and less time sitting in front of the computer trying to figure out what to do with your resume. One thing for sure, I don't want you wasting a whole lot of time trying to update your resume. I would rather you spend more productive time applying for jobs that you're qualified for. So definitely, if you're interested in taking all of the guesswork out of how to update your resume, and you're also interested in getting some additional resources and bonuses, like a mini training on how to update your resume and other resources, feel free to get your hands on your copy of the resume keyword guide. Once again, you can find it at the link in the description as well as the pinned comments. Now, moving right along to our very next opportunity with Cash App. This is going to be their senior WFO resource capacity planning analyst. This is also a fully remote work from home opportunity. It's full-time, and within this role, the main things you're going to do is develop and implement long-term resource capacity plans. You'll leverage data analyst skills to develop strategic scenario planning. You'll develop analytical reports to aid in the success and forecasting models, KPI tracking, ad planning, and insight investigations. You'll collaborate with internal teams to develop efficient scheduling strategies. You'll stay up to date on industry best practices and integrations. You'll also generate reports and presentations to communicate resource capacity planning data and financial insights to stakeholders. You'll partner with cross-functional teams like operation, finance, and BPO to ensure alignment and address resource capacity challenges both internally and externally. Now, what they're looking for from you is a minimum of 5+ years of experience, specifically with resource capacity planning and a high-volume multi-channel contact center. You also need to have proven ability to analyze complex data sites, strong understanding of long-term capacity planning principles and their applications. You'll need excellent communication and collaboration skills, have proven ability to handle multiple high-priority projects simultaneously while driving support, have excellent time management and organizational skills, be proficient with G Suite like Google Sheets, Docs, and Slides, have experience with working from home software like Nice, Variant, and Assemble is a plus. And then also having working knowledge of SQL data visualization tools like Taboola or Locker is going to all work in your favor. You also need to be able to work flexible schedules that may adjust to meet the needs of their operations. And this specific role is paying $114,000 up to $152,000 annually per year, depending on where you are located. Now, with this role, you also do get some of those really great benefits like medical, dental, vision, retirement options, stock purchasing plans, paid time off, parental leave, sick leave, development opportunities, and life insurance. So, if you are interested in a senior resource capacity planning analyst role, head on over to Cash App and check it out. Now, getting into our next opportunity, this one is going to be a senior machine learning engineer role. It is within underwriting and credit. It is also a full-time position. Moving into the responsibilities for this role, you will be responsible for designing, building, and managing distributed services and pipelines for underwriting and credit Cash App. You'll lead impactful multi-person projects that cross engineering team boundaries. You'll demonstrate a high code of quality, good test coverage, and other engineering best practices. You'll collaborate with product analysts and modelers on planning and implementing frictionless user experiences while working cross-functionally with different departments like product, platform, security, and data engineering teams. You'll creatively resolve and solve challenging technical problems at scale and contribute to growth of development capabilities through monitoring and supporting fellow engineers. Now, qualifications, they are looking for 8+ years of back-end software development experience and building and maintaining applications in any mainstream language, such as all of the different coding languages like Java, Python, Ruby, those kinds of things. You'll also need to have enthusiasm about solving business problems with technology and proven experience successfully taking ownership of end-to-end solutions. You need to have passion about continuously learning new technologies, frameworks, and services. Be serious about testing and having experience with automated testing frameworks. Need to have experience with common technologies and have a keen interest in advancing Cash App's vision of building for economic empowerment. Now, these are some of the different tools and softwares that they use and teach on. And this specific role is paying $252,000 all the way up to $297,000 annually per year. Now, this specific role is also offering really great benefits like the medical, dental, vision, the 401k, employee stock purchasing plan, paid time off, learning and development, and life insurance upon additional really great benefits. So if you do have that software engineering background, you are looking to pivot, you have been in software engineering for some time, you're a little more seasoned, this will be a great opportunity to look into and really be able to get into, as the salary is definitely really great. All right, now getting into our very next opportunity with Cash App, this is their dispute operations lead role. It is also completely remote, a full-time opportunity. This specific role is responsible for strategic planning. You'll assist with workflow and workforce planning and management. You'll manage reporting and metrics, leadership and mentorship, system tools, internal and externally, and then also industry expertise. You'll be assisting with banking, e-commerce, and payments. Some of the other things you'll do is you'll partner with cross-functional teams like customer operations, voice of customers, knowledge operations, workforce management, and Cash App development on projects directly associated with the department. You'll also partner with third-party vendors on other external partnerships as needed. Leadership-wise, you're going to manage a team of high-performing individuals in a fast-paced environment, be able to mentor, coach, and lead them from the front. You'll partner with HR, talent, and recruiting on sourcing candidates as well as administration of HR policies and procedures. You'll recognize and reward talent and manage individual performance to metrics and provide ongoing insight and coaching. Now, qualifications, they are looking for 6+ years of work experience with 3 years of direct people management experience as well. You're going to need strong Regulation E knowledge, strong error resolution process knowledge, past product or project management experience. You'll need experience building and scaling customer operation teams, be able to effectively influence and communicate with different teams cross-functionally. You'll need creative problem-solving abilities, have excellent written, oral, and presentation skills, have a natural curiosity to dig deep to understanding customer behaviors, and have strong analytical skills, a passion for assessing risk as well. Now, additional qualifications will be if you do have expertise with financial fraud investigations and demonstrating risk-based judgment, problem-solving skills, and strong analytical abilities. That's going to work in your favor. If you have previously been able to demonstrate the ability to maintain strict adherence to regulatory guidance as well as internal compliance standards and guidelines, all of that is going to work really good for you. Now, this specific role is paying $74,000 up to $99,000 annually, which is a really great rate of pay. And then you'll also be eligible for some of the really great benefits such as medical, vision, and dental, healthcare savings accounts, and flexible spending accounts, retirement plans such as 401k, employee stock purchasing plan, paid time off, life insurance, and learning and development resources. So definitely, if you have prior operations experience, leading a team lead experience, or supervisor experience, this would definitely be a great role to look into. It's completely remote and is paying a really nice rate of pay. Now, once again, if you are trying to figure out and you're struggling on what you need to be putting on your resume for jobs just like the ones that we went over today, I do have a resume keyword guide. You can find a link to the resume keyword guide down in the description as well as the pinned comments. The resume keyword guide gives you over 300 different resume keywords in over 11 different industries to help you level up your resume very, very quickly in record time. You'll also get some additional bonuses and resources with the resume keyword guide, like a free mini training on how to update your resume correctly, as well as some additional resources like exclusive job leads. So definitely, if you're ready to take out all of the guesswork of what you should be putting on your resume and how to update it, make sure you get your hands on the resume keyword guide. Once again, you can find a link to the resume keyword guide down in the description as well as the pinned comments. Now, if you have not become a part of the official family here on YouTube as of yet, I want to personally invite you right this minute to become an official family member by subscribing to the channel, turning that bell notification on, and clicking all so you can be notified each and every time I release brand new videos with brand new roles and you don't miss out on anything. Personally, I would love to help you find your next really high-paying remote job opportunity, and I would hate for you to miss out on a really great role literally because you were not subscribed. We do not want that to happen. So definitely make sure you become a part of the official family here on YouTube by subscribing and turning that bell notification on. Until next time, make sure you continue to thrive and you continue to reach for those good old career goals. And as always, I will see you guys in the very next one. Be blessed. Bye.